Hi, everyone. Happy Friday. Today I traded DKNG. I was looking at it as a 15-minute opening range breakdown. I did not like this first 15-minute candle. I didn't like the wick, how large the wick was going to the downside, taking it short. For a pullback on the next 15-minute candle, that's typically when I go short. Plus, this candle closed above the previous day high. Um, and I really was tempted. It came up on the 1 minute chart and rejected the VWAP. And I was going to take it short when it lost the previous day high, previous day close. But I didn't. So I was sitting and watching this stock to see what it would do. I thought that maybe it was putting in a double bottom here on the 1 minute. But I didn't like the amount of volume that came with this wick right here. So then I thought, oh, well, I think this is going to break down and have another leg down. So once it started really hugging this 9 moving average on the 1 minute, and I noticed that it was rejecting this level right here, this 35.69. It was a previous level I had marked on the daily. I watched for a short position, and a better entry probably would have been the break of the low of the day. It would have been a better confirmation, but I was willing to take the risk on this trade because the risk to reward was pretty good. I had my my stop set above this 20 moving average right here. The spread was pretty bad on this stock. So I of course partialed a little quicker. I have been having people ask me, my first partial is usually 10%. It used to be 25%, and I was not making near the risk to reward as I should have been. So I changed it to 10% just to, I'm weaning myself off taking that first partial too quickly. And I'm working on that. I tried to take partials at these previous levels I have marked. Like I said, the spread was pretty bad on this, but risk to reward, it ended up working out very well for me. And so then on this 1 minute chart, remember what I was talking about, the double bottom earlier on. I was expecting a lot more volume for a reversal, and this is what I'm talking about. This wick right here had a ton of volume come in, so I exited majority of my position right here, which also happened to be another previous. It also came down and hit another previous level I had marked from the daily. And then I left 5% left of my share size to stop out at break even. And that is it. That was my trade. That was one of my trades of the day. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you Monday. Thanks for watching.